Hi guys. I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm gonna keep it under 5 minutes for the second week of these activities. So I just want to say first, I promise I won't make a video every time. Um, but I do appreciate y'all watching these. And two, I really appreciate your flexibility and your patience and your willingness to try this with me. It is new. In the past, I've done group work where y'all had to meet, or students have had to meet, like at a certain time, and it hasn't worked very well because I know that y'all have lives outside of this math class. So this was a way for me to try to make it more asynchronous. Like you can do this on your own time. It just needs to be done by this date, and then reply to someone by this date. So I'm hoping that once we get kind of some of the kinks worked out, it will be a beneficial way to do group work versus the way I've done it previously. So I'm already a minute into this. I told you I'd stay under 5. Just a couple things. So one, where did my note go? There it goes. Um, Here is a good example of what someone did this week. Someone did an original post. I think this is the right answer. And then someone replied and said, yeah, that I think it's the right answer too. And this is why, in addition to what you said. They're both great posts. One of them's short, one of them's long. I'm not looking for a certain length. I'm just looking for you to justify your answers. Like, why do you think this is the right answer? Second, I know that we had issues, like some people would post and then their group members wouldn't do anything. I'm going to keep you in the same groups for one more week so we can see if people just didn't understand the assignment or if people just aren't doing the assignment. I'm still trying to figure out who's actively involved in the course or not. And then we're going to have our first test. So after that first test and then another week of these activities. It will give me time to reevaluate the groups and put you in a group that will be actively involved with you. So if your group members don't reply again, or like let's say only one group member replies, then y'all just reply to each other and it's okay. I will still give you full credit. I won't count off for maybe a group member not participating as they should. I will give you full credit, not your group member. Once again, this is very flexible. So if y'all decide, hey, let's meet up on Wednesday and just all do this together, that's fine. If you want to meet via Zoom and you're like, hey, we're just going to record this and send it to you, that's fine. If you are thinking of something, hey, this might be cool to do and you're not sure, reach out to me. I'm happy to help. I appreciate some leadership that has taken, some people have taken initiative and reached out to group members and really made sure that people are staying involved and know kind of what the assignment is. And I really appreciate the help that I'm receiving in that sense. I have noticed that a lot of people, I said, pick your first problem and solve it by Wednesday and then respond to group members by Friday. It's Saturday, and I've noticed a lot of people are responding today. That is fine if your group members are okay with that. I just don't want someone who is in charge of submitting it having to wait for everyone and then having to get stuck doing that at 11 p.m. at night on a Saturday. So, just kind of work that self out with your group members. If not, just stick with the Wednesday, Friday deadlines. Lastly, each member needs to do one set of problems, and each set of problems will have two levels. So, like level one, level two. One person does that. Another person does this level one, level two. You may only have 3 members in your group. I always do like 4 to 5 problems. You don't have to do all of them. You just have to do one and then reply to 2 group members. So, just so you know. And lastly, I am going to add these each week's slide to your slide deck. So you're going to have that same Google link every week unless I change your group. So you can access it once you have that link. You don't necessarily have to go back to the page that you went to originally. Um, Once again, thank you. Once again, please, please, please reach out if you have any questions. Don't feel bad. This is my job. I'm here to help you. I went 10 seconds over. I'm sorry. Have a great day.